Hi, in this video, we try to introduce you how to install FlexiMining app, EarnApp, onto your hotspot. EarnApp is a decentralized web resources sharing app which share your network bandwidth to the open community so you can get a passive income from EarnApp. The first, you have to set up your hardware, your hotspot correctly. Then you can log into COTX Hotspot Cloud Service here. The address is cotex-sg.io. And once you sign up and log in, you can in dashboard tab to create and manage your wallet space, or you can go to hotspot tab to select your wallet space and select your hotspot to install different FlexiMining apps. Uh, Also, you can add new hotspot into your wallet space. In this example, we select this test hotspot and to install EarnApp onto it. So it's a pretty straightforward. You just click the EarnApp. And in this tab, in this page, you can see the terms of FlexiMining, the terms of EarnApp. So you can check the terms and click I agree to above terms to keep on install EarnApp. So in this page, you have to click EarnApp link to redirect you to EarnApp Cloud Portal so you can sign up an EarnApp account. And once you finish set up that account, and you can come back and click install, and the Cortex Hotspot Cloud Service will install EarnApp instance onto your hotspot. So once you open EarnApp portal, you can start create an account, and you have to set up account, verify your email address, and everything. Once that's done, you can log in to EarnApp Cloud Portal, and you can see at this point you just log in, and there is no device in to be linked to this Cloud Portal account. So that's why we have to come back to Cortex Hotspot Cloud Service install page. Once this installation done, you can see the status is running. That means to this point, EarnApp is already being successfully installed and running on your hotspot, but it has not been linked to your EarnApp Cloud Portal. So you have to click this button here. And once you click this button, the system will register your node to the EarnApp Cloud Portal. So now you can see the EarnApp node you installed linked to this EarnApp Portal account. So to this point, all installation is done. So from now on, every time once you click the dashboard button, it will redirect you to EarnApp Cloud Portal. Of course, you can just open EarnApp Cloud Portal by yourself, and you can see all the mining rewards, all the information in this portal. That's all for install EarnApp on your Cloud Portal. Thank you.